So guys, this is my 59-day-old Desi chicken farm. You can see, mashallah. Guys, see how good their growth is getting now. When I take an entry inside, look at some chicken purchases who are afraid. Let's all go to Pune. I will show you by zooming a little less, mashallah. Let me show you how good it is. This is the golden chicken. In every video, I definitely show you the growth of a chicken so that you can also guess how much they are growing, in how many days, how well they are growing. MashaAllah's rooster, its growth is also MashaAllah, and the color in its condition is also becoming very cute. And guys, I have shown you golden rooster or rooster, and now I will show you black. Friends, this Desi. This is also the same chicken because I was looking like a chicken, but what a chicken has is not there, friends. Now you can see that I am sitting inside now. Now look, everything has become empty from there. You can see that there is nothing there at all. It's all in my hands now, folks. Everyone has come and sat in my present side when I come in form. Now I have become so well known to them. Look, friends, I will show them in my present side. Look, see, friends, all of them have come and sat in my present side because now they know me very well. Do you see how good God is? This is also Sonali, friends. It is not black ashlope because the black ashlope is completely black. This is black ashlope. See this, friends, black ashlope. See, this is the sea, mashallah. See, this is the chicken of black ashlope. See, this is 59 days today, mashallah. How well is it growing? So friends, I got to see a very good scene in front of you today. Look at this, guys. This black ashalope is your cock, mashallah. Look at this. I will show it by zooming more because sometimes I get a chance. Black ashalope stands so calmly. It doesn't even look like a cock. Look at this, friends, how great it looks. Then you can also see this, friends. This is the form of my Desi chicken which has completed 59 days today. Just now you saw that as I came down and sat down, all the chickens came and sat close to me. Look, all my friends are sitting at the door. Friends, check their growth first. Now I don't run guys running in the chicken farm because if I fly them, these people will fly in such a way that all my water and speech will be spoiled. Relax, relax, relax. I will show you by walking so that you can also know the growth of all the chickens and I can also know whether I have any problem in my chickens or not. There is a shortage of a chicken. I had shown you this. Look, friends, this is a chicken. I am going to take medicine for it today. I know that God will take care of me today. Look, friends, I will show you this is a problem in my chicken's leg. Look, friends, if there is a problem in its leg, then I will bring the treatment of its leg today because it has only one leg. This leg is not this leg. Friends, this leg is not getting any strength inside it at all. So it can't stand. Because of this, I am also facing problems. So today I will come with its medicine. If I show you some ideas that I can correct his leg with home remedy, friends, his legs did not have any strength at all, then his leg was pressed. If something happened, if there is any home remedy, then definitely let me know so that I can treat it. Look at these guys trying to get up. Can't get up. Look, friends, let me look at you. Look, get up, friends. I am not picking it up. I will treat it. Only after that I will pick it up. Allow it to rest comfortably. Let's go, let's go. See how good God is. This is white cock. This is Sonali's cock. See these two. See this. See a little zoom in if I show you. I haven't observed any illness among the chickens except for one with a leg issue. Allow me to bring out the chicken from inside to show you. So you guys just saw, I showed you around the whole farm. You have also seen the growth of the condition of Desi chicken. In the condition of some chickens, I showed up very close. You get Sonali 2 black and Solo 2 200. I put a total of 300 chickens in it. Shell up of 150 gold and 150 black. I put it in. Today, mashallah, 59 days have passed. That is after one day, the entire 2 months will be completed. And thanks be to Allah. So far, I did not need to give them any medicine, nor did I need to give any such medicine that everyone should give. I haven't had any such issues yet. But friends, let me show you my other farm. At the moment, there are some problems going on inside him. First of all, let me show you that chicken. That chicken has my problem. Friends, this is the chicken that has become completely sluggish. Now, this is not happening at all. When you see there is no life inside it at all. Look, guys. There is no life in it now. Look at this. I will show you closely. She falls asleep while sitting. She will sleep, she will close her eyes in a little while, look to my friends, while I have also kept her water like this. Look, this is her water, and I have also kept her food like this. Now, add the corn mix. Initially it was simply grain. Here's your second form, my friends. Let's go. So, friends, this is my second Desi chicken farm in which I put a total of 600 of Sonalis. But inside it, every morning when I come, I am getting to see my mortality of 8-10 children, and even today it is close. And nothing else, even close to 12 today I got to see maternity. Now I have changed the whole system. Guys, it's completely empty. Now the children who are facing more problems have been placed in the middle here, and those who were perfectly healthy have been given acid. So the partition I have made completely and separated. But I don't understand. I think they may not be getting the sun. Because of this I am getting mortality, because ever since my children put the cost in it, the sun has not come out at all. It is raining continuously, and probably because of the rain they are feeling cold. Friends, look, let me show you these up close. Look at this gold. Chicken was added. I didn't buy any of them. You can see this. Mashallah to them. Growth is very good. I'll show you a half child. I am. 200, this is Sonalika, and today marks the 6th day of its journey. However, their food and drink remain extremely limited, leading to stunted growth and no progress. So if you have any idea or why you are eating so little, then you will definitely tell me in the comments. Motility is not ready to stop. I am coming every day. I am getting to see motility daily. Well, you can see I have put a total of 6 bulbs inside it to make the temperature, and there are 6 bulbs out of this 108, and keep more children here. What you think? You can see more children in it are sluggish. I also show you this. See this. I show you closely. See this, friends. See how sluggish these children are. See this, friends. These children are very sluggish, so I don't understand why children are becoming so sluggish. The temperature is also very good. I'm stuck in it. I have also given them partitions. Still, I am getting problems and troubles today. Even today, I am getting to see daily in the morning. So guys, there is something like this idea. This reduces their mortality. One of my brothers told me that if you bring a temperature machine and install it, then I am searching online. If I find it, then I will also install it. Even if my Ardia has put about 4 Duni 626 bulbs inside it, then the temperature will be very good. Still, see, you can change them a little. What will be their condition tomorrow? If this happens, I will make them and separate them 200 completely inside so that their mortality is reduced. So guys, how did you like this video? If helpful, be sure to like our video. If you are on my channel for the first time, subscribe to it.